defeated the Void boss. That's off camera. And when I first joined the server, we beat it phase 2. I got the question mark Void boost for 8 minutes. And I ran a lot. So the things I got were this and the gingerbread VR. I already have everything gingerbread here. So now the gingerbread VR. It is mine! And also the 10SX play button. So my phone is at 15%. Alright. So I just want to let you guys know that I have currently just got the 10SX play button. So yeah, I'll try to turn on comments, and if I figure out how to turn on comments, you guys can comment. Good job, hub for me in the comment section if I even enable on comments. But look how cool this thing looks. Alright, bye. Wait, okay, now